Today we are going to complete exercises of chapter number 12, Raymond's Run. Comprehension A. Mark the sentences as true or false. First, Raymond was younger than Squeaky. False. Second, Gretchen and Squeaky were friends. False. Third, Gretchen ran faster than Squeaky. True. Squeaky was very serious about her running and practiced breathing exercise daily. True. Fifth, Elizabeth Deborah Parker was Gretchen's full name. True. Sixth, Gretchen won all the races. False. 7. Squeaky was compared to Mercury by the big kids. True. 8. Mr. Pearson told Squeaky that 10 girls were participating in the race. False. 9. Squeaky participated in the 50-yard dash. True. 10. Squeaky felt that girls never faked their smiles. False. B. Answer the questions briefly. First question. How did Squeaky help in the house? Answer. Squeaky helped in the house by taking care of her brother Raymond. Second question. How did Squeaky defend Raymond? Answer. Squeaky defended Raymond by getting into a fight if required and hitting the persons who made disrespectful comments. She used to run away if things became too rough. Third question. How did Squeaky practice running? Answer. Squeaky practiced running whenever she could and always preferred running to walking. She also took a stroll down Broadway and practiced breathing exercise on her stools. 4. Why did Squeaky keep Raymond on the inside close to the building while walking down the street? Answer. Squeaky kept Raymond on the inside close to the building while walking because he would get away from the sidewalk and go to the road. Sometimes he would want to cross the traffic and go to the island in the middle of Broadway. Fifth question. How did Gretchen and her friends behave with Squeaky and Raymond? Answer. Gretchen and her friends behaved in a very rude manner with Squeaky and Raymond. Question number 6. What was Squeaky's opinion about grown-ups' behavior in general? Answer. Squeaky felt that sometimes grown-ups are very rude to children. Question number 7. What did Mr. Pearson tell Squeaky? Answer. Mr. Pearson told Squeaky that only 6 girls were participating and that the new girl would give her a tough competition. Question number 8. What kind of relationship did Squeaky have with her brother? Answer. Squeaky took good care of her brother almost in motherly manner. She tried to make sure that other children did not make fun of him or trouble him. She also protected him whenever they were on a stroll by ensuring that he walked or ran on the inside of sidewalk. Question number 9. What plans did Squeaky have for her brother? Answer. Squeaky wanted to coach Raymond to become a running champion. Question number 10. How did Gretchen respond to Squeaky's smile? What does it tell us about Gretchen's nature? Answer. Gretchen congratulated Squeaky and smiled back at her. It tells us that Gretchen could be a good-natured girl and had the sportsman's spirit. Think and answer the questions. First question. What kind of person was Squeaky? Give examples from the text to support your answer. So first, Squeaky was a very confident girl. She called herself the fastest thing on 2 feet who no one could beat. She was a very protective sister to Raymond. This is reflected when she said, "But if anybody was anything to say to Raymond, they have to come by me." She was also very good observant and kept an eye on Raymond even when she was practicing or running. She was hardworking and practiced her sports regularly. She was a strong person who could not get bullied by others and stood up against Gretchen and her friends. Squeaky also had a good sense of humor. When Mr. Pearson called her Squeaky, she said that he has no right to call her Squeaky and she couldn't call him Beanstalk. She was kind hearted, as in the end she looked towards Gretchen with kindness and acknowledged that she is a fast runner. Question number 2. Well, Hazel Elizabeth Deborah Parker going to give someone else a break this year? Why do you think Mr. Pearson said this? Answer: Mr. Pearson said this because he knew that Squeaky would win the race and he wanted Gretchen to win. Third question: I could get piano lessons and become a star, but what has Raymond got to call his own? What does this tell us about Squeaky? Answer: this tells us that Squeaky was a very kind and sensitive person who thought beyond herself. She understood the needs of her brothers Raymond.